On rise.
Is this a special proceeding for the installation of the Honorable David R. Samuel to the position of Chief Justice of the Chuuk State Supreme Court, State of Chuuk, the United States of Indonesia. Presiding over this matter is the Honorable Associate Justice Jason Robert, along with the Honorable Associate Justice Gabriel P. Wallaby of the Chuuk State Supreme Court, and the Honorable Larry Woodward, Associate Justice of the Supreme Court.
We are about to begin the program. Let me take this opportunity to express our great thanks to members of this gathering. I would like to state our greetings first to His Excellency Bishop Julio Mandel, to Speaker Wesley Senior, and members of the Chuuk delegation to the Congressional Congress, to Associate Justice Larry Woodward, Associate Justice of the Supreme Court, representatives from the executive branch of the national government, senior pastor of the Yasara Church, and also Vice President of the Congressional Association, President and Vice President of the House of Senate, and honorable members of the House of Senate, Speaker and Vice Speaker of the House of Representatives, and honorable members of the House of Representatives, Governor, Lieutenant Governor, and members of this cabinet, Justice, we Associate Justice of the Chuuk State Supreme Court, ladies and gentlemen. As we are ready to begin the program for tonight, for the morning, I would like to ask us to acknowledge our Almighty God and His omnipotent. Omnipresent. Who is with us today. God who is rich for His grace and love to help us this anticipation. We would like to thank Him and ask Him to guide us and to bless us, give us His blessing, especially upon the Chief Justice and his wife, who is about to be installed as the Chief Justice for the Chuuk State Supreme Court. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I ask that we all stand for the invocation? It will be given by Senior Pastor, VFD of the SMR Church, who is also the Vice President of the Nominas Congressional Association. At this time, I would like to ask Senior Pastor, and may I ask again for us to our rise. Stand.
Dua saksitani anukot miusiku mihana era sukot mitekia mifiat paren kote ako bepisor kren ofan marau cakun mesti betul itu fit era fiat sebagai Sikurno Noridini Valitani Popun Miotia Sigur Norina Iwe Siguriso Pamaretu Purero Kor Kafer Totswis Mer Akotan Eile Sian Kue Enkeplumne Kiswahili, kepada saya cie, dengan berpengasuhan, saya cie, berpopon aturan tu ini, dan ibu kata non bisa berbentuk, disuruh berkafiki, kotan, jika keputusan ini terjadi. Ia habis meridak-ridak berfaham berkait dengan kapal frigate. Ia disebutkan Gubernur Kreis Seribu Torian Sekolah. Frigate Dominika Kreatif Siang Muito non Nelian Vanita. Kue bertufit non de Wisan Reno Marawas, dia ciri en berapa metode medisi, atufit, anibagat, amaran, artecekul, aronik. Ini itu disebut etikir nomor Toriana Kuis itu Noritan crises yang mana yang sama pada sama waktu orang astronom desa cukup bila pada mifias amen.
Please be seated. The first member on our program is welcoming remark will be given by Deputy Mayor Benedict Heiner, Deputy Mayor of Wayne Municipality. Deputy Mayor Heiner. For one, before we story responsibility in my kurapan ini ambil responsibility ni ko responsibility select saya artis apa itu lupa Christopher MC Bapak Perubahan salah satu ada pon kansen ini ko sahabat speaker nasional yang presiden presiden Atnar Segera naik presiden atau presiden nature sahabat speaker dan presiden Congressional one note biar kita nanti Chief Justice repeat medicine Arwas आज का पोगरी 500 पैरन वे पैरन आज को उम्र ऊपर वही ocean note major atau fantastic Stephen ada sab yang menit mereka kerja tu cingai ngawaringai liwat ke mari panso bagi poput endetin at kapoget etiwa aciri ceng arwas mei simi tor di panso megak cia kerja FPJ cina statistik kan kritik endetin anti-Soviet bagian Indonesia. Menjadi asap pertipan ada asap sedikit menambah semari pansu ngapokitan gawe siap kata lemah ya besar namanya dan nawe ajak sedikit pasti perwisir gue aj menjadi ini sosial atau umur dan pansu net
Lipan. And then, si Patirosa Kanwabi in the Sultan.
Mr. Nakul and Kamashan Nahuli. Our second number on the program is an opening remarks by Associate Justice Area 1. Associate Justice Sana.
Wakong iro iri sebab permohonan dan bagian kemudian betul siapa itu juga sorry iro pun pak iro meri saul so pun waktu suara menjejak kosong menjejak pargini ewa seperti seri azme murbar seperti iro meri ada form Mayor Stephen Bapak Jadi ang sabat kubri asubur dan Mr. Cyrus. Miri panu Chuuk State Governor Honorable Johnson Keselmo. Vice President of the Senate Nelson Stephen. Honorable Speaker Rosendio Resam. Legislative Choir Representative Lipananaw Kersupananaw. Honorable Chief Justice Repeat Samuel, your wife and the family. And Associate Justice Jason Robert, FSM Chief Justice Dennis Yamase, Yahweh Gaspar of Red, FSM Associate Justice Larry Renford, and all other chiefs and justices from the national and state court. And Speaker from the Congress, Honorable Weston Simina, and members of the delegation from Chuuk. And His Excellency Bishop Tuliande, Reverend Senior Pastor Wiyafidik, Mary Lutzkei, MFN Mira, Naraji, Moon, Yirvina Nobkar, Sababonam, Narat, Wichefen, Narat Skoe, Irikin, Panavram, Sabor Fer, Bageri, Arabas, Vinci, Yirvi Toto, Gaso, Patoto, Veran. It's a beautiful morning. From the horizon from the east, the birds begin to singing the joyful song. The sun that slowly rises and warms us. It has brightened the day for everyone to come together to celebrate this historical moment. Ladies and gentlemen, I am truly honored to stand here to say a few words on behalf of the Chuuk State Supreme Court for this historical affirmation for the third Chief Justice of the Chuuk State Supreme Court, the Honorable Chief Justice Samuel Repeat R. Samuel. We are about to witness this affirmation. Chief Justice has already risen as a true leader when he took charge of the Chuuk State Supreme Court earlier this year. Today, he will formally swear to execute the authority and power vested in him that uphold the laws and the Constitution of Chuuk State in the course of fulfilling the duties and responsibilities as the head of the judiciary. Nothing but the truth. Early last month, some of us were summoned to testify before the members of the Senate. That is prior to the confirmation of Justice Samuel. Almost all the members expressed some fear regarding the trustworthiness of the court system. I am sure after today, many of those fears can be put to rest as we are continuing to work to make our judiciary more transparent, fair, and accessible to the people of Chuuk. Fear certainly may protect people by making them more cautious and careful about their work. But here, I wish to quote the book of Isaiah, chapter 41, section 30. As quote, "For I am the Lord, your God, who takes hold of your right hand and says to you, do not fear, I will help you." Our Lord is around us, always. It's not just watching over us, but taking the right hands and guiding us along as you will not be afraid, and that fear should be disappeared. The judiciary is an independent branch of government. It's free of COVID-19. The changing tide of politics, its decisions are made based on a firm understanding of law and equity. There are made respective politics and without any influence of power parties and figures. The court decisions follow firmly established by principles of law as created by the good people of Chuuk in our Constitution, statutory laws, and custom and traditions. We are here to serve you. Do not afraid, and I will help you. The book of King Solomon, 1 chapter 3, section 28. Quote, "Angin King Solomon, it will be read, "Are bubugawa ko sa kun, osukosu not maricha." Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our new Chief Justice, the Honorable Repeat Samuel, Associate Justices Robert and Winworth, and staff, and the National and State Court, I would like to express our sincere thanks to all of you, and most especially to the Honorable Governor Johnson Esalimo for the trust and belief to nominate Justice Repeat Samuel to be the third Chief Justice of the Chuuk State Supreme Court. And of course, our sincere thank to the members of the House of Senate of your confirmations. Thank you.
Next number is the special number. And some given by PNP Youth Cabinet Group from the nation. PNP Cabinet Group. the name for this that's the administration of the oath of office to the Honorable Associate Justice David R. Simon, which will be administered by the Honorable Jason Robert and assisted by Mrs. Simon. I asked them if Mrs. Simon, Honorable Robert,
I, Vicky R. Samuel,
I, Chuuk R. Samuel,
hereby solemnly affirm
hereby solemnly affirm
that I will uphold the Constitution
that I will uphold the Constitution
and the laws of the State of Chuuk and the Federated States of Micronesia,
and the laws of the State of Chuuk and the Federated States of Micronesia,
that I will discharge my duties
that I will discharge my duties
as the Chief Justice of Chuuk State
as the Chief Justice of Chuuk State
to the utmost of my ability,
to the utmost of my ability,
that I will faithfully abide
that I will faithfully abide
by the Code of Judicial Conduct
by the Code of Judicial Conduct
as provided by law,
as provided by law,
and that I will at all times
and that I will at all times
conduct myself in a manner
conduct myself in a manner
to uphold the dignity of the judiciary
to uphold the dignity of the judiciary
and the honor of the judicial profession.
and the honor of the judicial profession.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Please join me in welcoming our new Chief Justice.
next number is special number by the area presidential faculty and staff. Correct. represented by Honorable Madison Stephen, Vice President of the House of Senate. It's my pleasure to introduce for you Vice President.
Governor, Speaker Sivila, Speaker Aliso, Senator Coleman, Sabatske, clergy, leaders, His Excellency Bishop, Sabatse, Kuburat, Kustat, Reverend Vigafidi, Sabnamu Giferin, Chief Justice, Sama, Chuuk Associate, plus my friend Larry Wentworth from the Supreme Court, Merida Legislature, Carlos Silvus, Cabinet, Governor, friends, the family, and ladies and gentlemen, Madam Secretary. Well, I have to make a qualification. We have also I should want to probably the invitation to this sort. So I'll give you justice. I would say, what we did. We have got a couple besides the survey. Square Governor. I'd like to join the family thanking the Governor in his successful, favorable nomination of the Chief Justice. But he is survey of the Senate, where is the unanimous vote of confidence or nomination. This is our Kiratik to watch the person of that. Mulai gue, makanya gue bisa kalau kapasiro, ulu, itu gue paling pistol kapasiri kira-kira Chuuk. Kira-kira Facebook, social media itu. Mau usah, ini terfokus gue aja gue scroll through my speech. Bear with me. I am indeed privileged and honored to stand here to express and convey the warmest greetings and profound congratulations by the Chuuk State Legislature, both houses, to the Honorable Repeat Samuel, now officially sworn and inducted in as the Chief Justice of the Chuuk State Supreme Court. Congratulations are now in order at both houses. Again, on behalf of the Chuuk State Legislature, I'd like to thank the Honorable Governor for his favorable nomination, I already repeat this, of the Honorable Chief Justice Samuel, and we should be thankful for the unanimous vote of confidence enacted upon by the Senate in confirming Mr. Samuel to be the next Chief Justice of the Chuuk State Supreme Court. Thanks for an harmonious display of unity and solidarity by the Senate. I and Chief Justice Samuel went a long way back to about 8 years working together at the Micronesia and Legal Services Corporation. An humble background of basic legal practice and learning, which I believe continue to input him towards especially becoming an Associate Justice lately. The Honorable Chief Justice Samuel is a very honorable man. Indeed, a man of few words, but greater actions. He embodies the true elements and qualities of a real Micronesian esquire, who possesses not just the legal knowledge, but also the fundamental values of the Chuukese customs and traditions that are crucial and essential to the legal jurisprudence of the Chuuk and FSM bar and judicial system. I am very confident that Chief Justice Samuel will be resilient in his new capacity and role as the new Chief Justice of Chuuk State Supreme Court in strengthening and administering the judicial principles of justice and the rule of law, but not the rule of man. Dari ibu lagu kulai dari si kualitas oleh diskat kapasitas asli France mungkin sekali pelaksanaan diviso dari Chief Justice Samuel itu what their responsibility. So we are following our support day in day out. I know without them, Chief Justices have already reached this pinnacle. I'm proud of Chief Justice Samuel. As I said, he's an humble man. He came from behind a very humble background, from a basic trial counselor, an associate justice, and now our Chief Justice. I would also work for give him a round of applause. I would also say, Governor, I would Chief Justice. I'm just joking. It's a job, I would, particular civic Chief Justice, continue support Chief Justice, where Chuuk judicial system. I would participate members of the Bar Association too, leaving no pay. I'd like to recognize them. Esquire Bennett, Directing Attorney Melissa Jacob, Danny University, my dear friend, the very good Chief Executive Officer of the CPC, Gambo, my Safina Sorechi, Astepal, Mariakara, rising star in our legal system. Hi. Oh. See, we have a very limited bar family here. We urge that our kids continue learning the law, come back and continue quickly. Chief Justice Samuel to his Ceylon as a judicial system. What will? I think we will judge it. It's a job. Congratulations, Chief Justice Samuel.
Sir John would have our next speaker is Governor Thompson West. Marat Sigur, service, Diwap, University Sigur, Surfing, the moment of silence, Sigur Cheveri, the Chief Justice Loket, or G.H. Macy, home, on Justices at home city, or what's Faso, kis. Well, ibu parti isi. Dia bersama kawasan Mari ikut studi sumeri Ren Fanson medicine minne Gangnon Medicine Girai Il Fason mi wanita medicine si butuh pengen medicine non Yerian Ren Bobun we won very historical. Mara Chuuk. Ya cendedin mari dibuat di show lagi. Aku buat kiro om Chuuk, kiro om Wera, kiro om Mayor Stephen, Tori. Lewis Medicine, Marawasan, Perwatuan. Arts Tiro, Wasabat, and the one speaker, similar. Regietian, Honorable Members Medicine or FSM, Congress. Matori, Tietian, Merun, your executive branch. And cabinet members and staff, Irvi Pononom, Nevilas, Korea, Atstiro War Pisin, Sawajay, at the phone, legal governor, Mark Milo, Tori, cabinet members, Medicine, Atstiro War, Sawajay, President, Maraju, the Senate, Samajay, Vice President Active President Lori Faso, Lori Chietian, at the fund, members Medicine. Maras Kirowon, Samajay, at the fund, Speaker, Horizon. Lori Medicine, at the fund, members, Maras House of Representatives. As Paranet Kirowon, Milner Garin with the Davids, when the Honorable Chief Justice, repeat, Samuel, Lord Chietian, Associate Justice, Mason, Orate, Supreme Court, Patoro, Azure, FSM Supreme Court. Orats Kirowon, what CHF medicine legal experts can orate FSM Chuuk State Park. We don't know where we are. आज किलो was Salatski. B was a servant. Ren His Excellency Bishop Julian Ken. One most reverend we at the Lord here. So we went for us to which we are with the federation. Rats the road was a cobagon Lewis B. or not Nevirats or a Lerian non moon, non Navaram, non early shop, singer, family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Rats the road, Rats Kabong. Where are they? So Quran asks in the Kirisho. I will wear Kirisho Apom. Very invitation at Sigwe, Titi Fred, Nori Rami Ochia. The woman asks Abasa Kirisho. Very great, you have word. Abasa, what's that? Kirisho. Mari Darach Buchu. Kirisho Jabur,
Chief Justice Repeat Samuel, Ren Om Etiwa, Eguk Om Koporevision, somewhere on a Sokwari, A.M. Friends, Moraji, Chuuk State Government. Nami Sire, Yeti Wasire, Kaki Space in the Sire, Yakewis, USA Veterans. Menorong negeri, menorong PTG ne Farad, Mokutun A.M. France, Faritan Chuuk, Kayawin, Kewarani of Services or Judicial, Yoka, Hita Tabong, non invented of negeri, Nagopore Diva, Yoegiet Sia, Adu Bravo Timor. And ikabarang afino. Ruang as identification. Si Bogey as Chuuk State Legislature. Kayawin as Senate. House of Senate. Read a vote of confidence. Minte our display. Norami our conformity. Aju dua, igerai, mesti aju kawan. Aji gue witnessing confidence space in there apa-apa. Gue aji impress, apa tu beri moga-moga. Although especially, bagi speaker jeput, sapu-sapu, orang aji kain. Mereka as kerap pilisok, apa sahaja pilisok, wawasan bukuy, paritan as Chuuk, paritan kisah masa Chuuk, remet, kodun, narewi gerai, masuk medicine, masih bercakap pilisok, hari med hilang, wahai में Orosam Chuuk Ikrai, where I need, like always, I need art support, not government. Very good charamas. Every day of the year, every hour of the day, no mission for Chuuk, we was a Sunday. Medua. As collaborative efforts, as support to felony against very much and sail on with the common goal that we all together enjoy as much as we can. May as government furtherance. Our own, the former President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, Norar Kabas, asked not what you country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. Yet, ating pagdiwan, when it is medicine, no peace, Lord Moon, Nam early, the kids aramas. Sibwe marawati marawat tong. Pura cagang every day. We have faridan days. Faridan days. Besok kita cak om. Begitu kita ach daisy. Saya tangan di Chuuk State. Watch medicine. Medicine arama sa Chuuk. Yedi spiron of the one. Om sabato. Om punto. Ira boy. I want take this opportunity
Tirowong Chief Justice ay Puarong Maribis Kapasan Marifa Zone. I think this opportunity is an opportunity for me. I will express. I been so ngayon urusan branches of the government of Chuuk State, every employee of the government who required two current required paritan they were rostered paritarawe dibelten paritarawe tawsten ikasap korek isap pagbagon edit Geriadik Lord A. Fasong siya fitigami na empari neriats ibaferats ebo chomong neujaramas garamas ferwats robodef pian ibudiwa nakadula yara adur seri wajib Tukutuin, Oturagit, Omnasen, Tukuwetior, the Professor Kadita, Orewa, the Chuuk State. Noras Sibu, Eriki Fagani, Alaga Fagani, Wawu Fagani, Usipotori, Europira. Yet, Archelatic work. Also, it's very simple. Archel Ekis, I went, Akasha. Or facilities. Maritas Samajay Chief Justice Repeat Samuel. Chief Justice Repeat Samuel is the most senior Associate Justice prior to his confirmation as Chief Justice. Chief Justice Samuel has been serving as the Associate Justice for more than 12 years as Associate Justice. Chief Justice Samuel started as police officer of the Department of Public Safety, after which he served as trial counselor for the Migration Legal Services Corporation for more than another 10 years. With the institutional setup instituted and established in the operations, procedural reforms, including the improvement of the infrastructure of the Chuuk State Supreme Court by the late Chief Justice Amino Loget. I strongly believe that Chief Justice Repeat Samuel and his crew can and will continue, if not surpass, the constitutional duty of the judicial branch of the Chuuk State government, that justice shall be served all, irrespective of political, racial, religious belief, or any other consideration, in an affordable manner and immediate resolutions of cases pending before it. With the support of the entire Chuuk State government and the Emerson National Government, our Chuuk State Supreme Court, under the leadership of Chief Justice Repeat Samuel, will rise above its constitutional duty. Congratulations and thank you very much.
At this time, we would like to ask the area evangelical church choir. Special number. Area like to call upon Speaker Leslie Edison.
Chuuk, Ruan, Sanati, Sao. Ông sống Muslim, vô địch, and third, Murega, and go brand, this is the night. Over the guy, where you are, not money, you have food. We are born at the end of time. All Brazilian, doing that, semua sudah sampai pada kurus, ya kini not kurus di sini, ada. Juga lalu kita sama sekali rampung berbuat cepat terusan, terus lalu. Jadi pun, jadi beliau sudah. Jadi sama sekali Chief Justice Samuel Warat Terobeli sama sekali Jeniken Bishop Anggen Ori sama Jeniken Reverend Fidik Wan Meri sama sekali politicians, officials, the Governor, Lieutenant Governor, Speaker, House, Vice Speaker, Senate, TG, the one Southern Nominals, and Senator Conman, but there to 80 city, national government, and Coast Valley, and one but many, so much given Associate Justices, Mrs. Samuel Yan, at Pagkiluwam, Tori, Kospapadin, Lewis, may Aramas, may Nondi Relax Mani, Pagchandran, at Pagong, Pagwani Gan, and Yami, Medicine. Very thank you for inviting me and other members of Congress to participate in and witness the installment of the third Chief Justice of the Chuuk State Supreme Court, the Honorable Chief Justice Samuel. It is, it should be, I have the occasion, not just for the Samuel family and relatives, but for the court system in Chuuk also. It is a testament to the century-old genius of a democratic constitution that honors the lifetime service of members of court, in this case, for Chuuk. This promotes continuity, consistency, and stability in our court system. So on behalf of the Western Congress, I congratulate you, Chief Justice Samuel, on the occasion of your installment as Chief Justice, and I congratulate the Chuuk State Supreme Court on this very important event. I also want to thank Governor Liddell for having the confidence in Justice Samuel to appoint him as the Chief Justice. Not the least, I also thank the legislature, especially the Senate, for its ability to meet and confirm Justice Samuel as the Chief Justice, given the challenging circumstances facing the Senate at this time. I also want to thank the other justices and the staff of the Chuuk State Supreme Court for their support for Justice Samuel. You are, of course, the backbone of the judiciary court in Chuuk State, and you should be proud of that. So keep up the good work. About 2 years ago, I stood before this honored building for another happy occasion. The dedication of this reconstructed and renovated courthouse. With some support from your Congress, that project was done. Back then, I cited to you the provision in our present Constitution that describes the ongoing support that Congress provides to the state judiciaries. Article 11, Section 10 of the present Constitution. The last time I checked, and that was this morning, that provision remains part of the present Constitution. So, Chief Justice Samuel, let me assure you today, as I assured your late predecessor Pearson, that your Congress will continue to extend its support, financial and otherwise, that we can be able to provide the Chuuk State Supreme Court and the other state judiciaries. It is our constitutional duty to do so. It is our political and moral obligation as well. So again, congratulations to Justice Samuel on this milestone you've achieved since the beginning of your humble career. You are deserving of it. Whether you are deserving of it, that is a question that only you can answer. And time will be your own judge. Just a few last words, and this may not be that important, but I feel it is important for me to say this. To the family and relatives of Chief Justice Samuel, I wish to say something to you because of my own relationship with Chief Justice Samuel. Be appreciative and thankful. Be humble and humility. Know your place in the whole scheme of the judiciary. Be a support, not a problem, that Chief Justice Samuel will definitely need in the years to come. He's a lonely child. That will require your constant support. Mark my words, because I speak from a viewpoint that sees things clearly. In closing, I wish to take this opportunity to acknowledge with distinct privilege what the late Chief Justice Chuuk had done in improving the Chuuk State Supreme Court in its functions and works, not to mention the courthouse itself. I salute him for his vision and dedication. And to you, Justice Samuel, keep up the good works and dedicate yourself to the process of the judiciary. You will find satisfaction in knowing that you gave it your best, no matter the cost. Thank you and good luck.
time, we'll listen to the last of the special will be presented by the Living Mother Church. Right. Living Mother Church. Right.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guru, Governor, dan Senimo, Governor, Senayo, Speaker, Senat, Speaker University, Vice President, Mr. Stephen, Bishop, Julian Kerr, Reverend William Philip, members of the clergy, members of the Chuuk State Legislature, Senate, and House of Representatives, ladies and gentlemen, friends and family. Terutama panggilan ini. Itu agungan tamati program operasi panggilan taman partai di Poros. Ini satu tahun terkuat di lain ini. Aja. Mion Poros itu bilang dia sampai bebas. Siwali sa adalah order sa Porosan human people. One on our rank, we farmers. Two people, Raman, people from our we sekarang dan ferry on our rank, bukan colony keman kita harap tadi, bina source of income. Kita awal lagi salary fund kita Roman people, gerak kayu pesan. Lewat anom, ipet, lewat kenapa nama itu? Ngau lewat harus pilih filan. Itu Roman people. Kita orang mana awal itu, yang mana matu arme seorang ini angan mana lewat kemudian very defilan menan man defilan ini keranan man perhatian awal mereka itu tahun ni boleh wes kenapa kerana Human lewat apa tahu? Dukungan ini sudah diberikan. Segera lewat dari human berbuat. Begitu agak itu lewat tulis. Asal dari human. Mata beri. Lewat tulis ni kalau beri lewat. Guru mana kita orang tulis, mereka peripilai dan sebagainya. Kerana ini pun dari tulis. Mereka percaya sebagai figure. Itu rumpu. Ini aucan, jawab. Man tulis, aku sudah di sana ni, kerana kita tulis, awas berfilan. That's not build walls. It's build bridges. I am honored to swear my oath before you today. Further, I am honored to have the opportunity to serve the people of Chuuk in my role as the next Chief Justice of the Chuuk State Judiciary. I wish to give my sincere thank you to Governor Johnson S. Elmo for his decision to nominate me, and to all the members of the Senate for confirming my appointment. I am grateful for the confidence in my abilities to lead the third branch of our state government during these uneasy times. I aspire to not merely maintain the standard that my predecessors have established for this work, but to increase access to justice, transparency, and efficiency of our court. We as a people face a world filled with unknowns and difficult choices in the months ahead. However, no one faces these new hardships alone. Instead, we face them together as one community, and as one people. This calm before the storm is an opportunity for us to rediscover what it means to be true peace. To help uplift your neighbor, to see what you can give to make your community better, to unite together to make our islands better. Life and business have considerably slowed down, especially on weather. I ask you to take a moment and step back. Consider what you and your family can do to spread joy in the community, to make it more beautiful, to make it more peaceful and harmonious. We as a people will persevere. God has vested us with a remarkable ability to adapt to changing circumstances around us. For millennia, our ancestors braved typhoons on Atoll Islands, well before the invention of concrete. We survived the arrival of smallpox, measles, influenza, and other previously unknown diseases that came with the whalers in the 1840s. Our adaptability has allowed our culture to survive and evolve despite the occupation of the Spanish, the German, and the Japanese empires, as well as the U.S. trusteeship after the Second World War. So too, we shall survive and adapt to such hardships. For us to survive and prosper, we must remain united, and we must be willing to sacrifice some of our personal self-interest for the betterment of our community. That not only means to be socially cooperative, but also to be spiritually healthy. It also means not to give up, even when the sun has set and the world is but a shadow against many shades of gray. We have trying time ahead of us, especially for our nurses, public safety officers, and other essential workers that will need to continue working during the pandemic when our borders do open. Even when you feel that the burden of job has been placed solely on your shoulders, remember, you are not alone. We are in this together. That's why we should not build walls, but bridges. I would like to end the speech with a call of unity. The election season is upon us. In recent years, certain election campaigns throughout Chuuk have sowed division within the community. Rhetoric turned increasingly hostile in such campaigns. Insults were traded, and the community divided itself. In the end, only some of the candidates will prevail to the election for elected positions. But the ill feelings that arise from particularly national election campaigns, will remain. Families will remain divided. Close borders and fear stemming from the pandemic has left many of our people tired and stressed. That I understand. I strongly urge you not to tear each other down. Even if you might have different views on how things ought to be. Civil discourse can go a long way to find a resolution to the challenges before us. I strongly urge you to exercise your constitutional right to vote while refraining from exchanging insults beforehand, especially within our families. After all, family is everything. Everyone is entitled to their opinion, but sometimes much wisdom is found by keeping certain opinions to oneself. The next few months will be challenging for everyone here, but I know our people, as well as the judiciary, shall overcome these challenges. Let's not sow division during this difficult time. Let's use this time to make amends and prepare a community to overcome this crisis together. Together, we are stronger. Together, we shall prevail. Thank you, and may God bless.
Thank you very much, Chief Justice Samuel. That concludes our program today. Before we ask for benediction, any announcement? Okay, as we leave this place after the ceremony, those who are in this occupying this building will go out this way. And those who are outside will go that way. There will be a reception at 6 p.m. tonight. That will be outside. For those who are not,
Everybody is invited.
everyone goes hungry. We'll go down there at 6 o'clock. Okay, so may I ask again to stand and we will ask His Excellency Bishop William
Samuel, nabi sini adalas supaya dia rakomui dan sini sun di diberi dari wis sikit man Chuuk hari ini wis habis. Suluk bit Federasi Wisitman Indonesia Kevin Chuuk
Pasyurut hubungan hidup Yotex the current list sobat already to visit Yotex tapi suruh seluruh dengan berfan dengan merawat pasyurut ini secara Vietnam dengan perawatan support system Chuuk Dewan Bangga dengan sejak Surya Kos dari siapa berudah apalagi siapa berkenan dia sampai berkenan kemarin membocorkan Chuuk
Sure. Isu समय तो दिख रहा है इधर कपूं या वो तो दिख रहा है इधर कपूं apa betul betul